from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2009 plate. Just doing a number plate light bulb on this. I'm going to show you which one it is, but before I do that, I've already done a position lamp on the right side, driver side front, which is a part 1 of the same model. And I've done the near side position lamp, which is the most awkward one, and that's a part 2. Now this is going to be a part 3, which I'm doing for the passenger side rear. So I'm going to show you which one it is. If you look at the number plate lights right at the top there, as you can see, both aren't working. Now to do it, it is a simple procedure. All I do is I get a screwdriver, slot the screwdriver in there, lift this out a little bit, and then with my hand take the whole thing out. Just going to switch the lights off first. Now, if you did want to do a position lamp, tail light, or a parking light, that's the bulb holder right there. As you can see, all you do, twist that to your left, and then pull the whole thing out, and that's the whole thing right there. And here's a 501 bulb, so if you did need a 501 bulb, you can click on the link in the description, and you know where to get it from. And then put this back on, twist it to your right. Make sure when you do this, check the seals. Now same thing again, this is the reverse light to take it out. Now I don't know the number for this bulb, but it is in the bulb section on my page. So if you did want to get one, you can get one of these. Here's a capless bulb, as you can see, single filament one. I think it's a 944, I'm not too sure, but make sure you put it back on. Now the main thing we're replacing on this is the number plate, which is right there. That's what we need to replace. So if I twist that to my left, pull the whole thing out, got the bulb out, got a new one, slot the new bulb in, and then put everything back together. So make sure, and then twist it to your right. That's it. Now to put the cover back on, it's easy again. So you've got these little lugs right here. So you've got the holes already made up. So what I need to do is I need to put it in like this, so the square part is on this side. So slot it in, and then in. Okay, this is more harder than putting the cover back on, putting the bulb in. So if I take it back out, as you can see there, it's not fitted. So I line it up. That's it, job done. So what I'll do now is check the lights. As you can see now, that one's working, this one isn't. So that's it, that's all done on this particular model. It is a 2009 Honda Civic, and it's the part 3. And we'll get the part 4 going in a minute as well, showing you the near side number plate light as well as the position lamp, because the position lamp is not working on the the driver's rear. So I'm going to get that done as well. Just drop us a comment below if there is anything you need to know, and we'll try helping you as much as we can. And at the end of the video, there will be a link for, or in the middle somewhere, there'll be a link for the first part, or the second part, or the third part, whichever part you're watching at this minute, you'll have it there. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.